Worcestershire? Anyway, I'm a nerd. Cajun seasoning up the nose, guys. Shake it up. Who's excited? Hola familia, Busy Mommy here today, and I am here to bring you the best turkey burgers. Now these are my favorite. I actually turn them into chicken nuggets for the girls. They love them. Literally, I have an 8-year-old, well, she's 8 now, and a 5-year-old who love eating these. I have hidden zucchini and onion in them, and they love them. So, problem with turkey burgers, they're dry. That is the big issue of turkey burgers. There's not a lot of fat in them, so it's difficult for the burger to be juicy. With these, they are super juicy, and that is due to my secret ingredients, which I kind of hinted to or told you already. But before we get started and get into that recipe, I'm going to ask you to please like, subscribe, and go ahead and comment below if you've had turkey burgers. What's your favorite turkey burger? And then we're going to get started on making these burgers. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to shred your ingredients. So I have 2 medium zucchinis, which I shredded 1 already. You're going to take your cheese grater, or if you have a food processor that has a grater attachment, like it's better than. So you get to the very edge, then I have 1 giant chunk that I can then cut up, and then I do a little over half an onion, so do it the same way. I've already done half an onion, so it's about 3/4 of a full onion, medium yellow onion. Then I go ahead and take all of these ingredients. Now the onion is what makes it so moist. Well, the onion and the zucchini, honestly, the liquid that they have makes it so good. Literally, the kids love it. And because it's grated, they don't even know. All right, so you got your 2 pounds of meat here, and to that I'm gonna add my onion and zucchini mixture. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all up. Then I'm gonna add my other ingredients. So I have 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire? I don't know, how do you say that? If you want to send me a video clip of you saying it to tell me how to send it, feel free. You can DM me on Busy Mommy, or you can message me on Facebook. I just think of Winchester. I'm actually wearing a Supernatural zip-up hoodie because I love Supernatural so much. This is actually Angel. Do you know Castiel? I don't know if you guys ever watched Supernatural, but it's like one of my favorite shows. But see, like the wings? Castiel, because he's my fave. Then I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Now you can just add salt and pepper at this point, but I love the flavor that the Cajun seasoning gives. I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder and salt and pepper. This is like a house seasoning that I make. It's just one of these little ball jars, and then I went ahead and I do about 1/4 of it with pepper, about 1/4 with salt, and then about half of garlic powder, and then I shake it up. All right, so my trick for these burgers, or my tip, I guess, whenever you make burgers, try and taste them before you say that they're done. Obviously, do not try raw meat. I'm not saying try the raw meat. We're going to cook a little portion of it, and then we're going to try it, because it's always best to make sure that it's good. All right, we'll go ahead and test this. So today's Spanish word of the recipe, I think, is going to be pavo, which is turkey, because we're making turkey burgers. I'm going to flip it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Since it's very thin, I always try to make a very small amount, obviously, just to taste it. Nope. So, since I know that seasoning is perfect, I'm going to go ahead and make my little burgers. So I make a burger patty, and I put it in, another burger patty, and I put it in. Then I make some nuggets, which is basically just tiny burgers. Alexa, stop alarm. She's telling me my avocado fries are ready, which is what we're gonna eat with these. Who's excited? All right, so we're gonna continue to cook these, come back, put them on our keto-friendly buns, AKA cloud bread, and then we're gonna eat up. So, see you in a little bit. All right, so we've made our burger. I made some cloud bread buns. If you wanna see that video, see below. And then also some avocado fries to go with my turkey burger. Just a little ketchup and some fresh mozzarella cheese, and I'm good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a bite and see how it goes. It's literally so juicy. The flavor is so good, so delicious. Has that bite with the onion and the garlic. What I love about the cloud bread is it doesn't take away from the burger itself. And honestly, I don't miss buns. It's so moist, guys. Like, it's so juicy. You don't get that with turkey burgers very often. And then you eat it with your avocado fries, or even better. What a great idea, Alejandra, AKA Busy Mommy. Put your avocado fries in your burger. That was a good call. All right, well, as always, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you tried this turkey burger, if you liked it. And then let me know, anything else you want me to try. I'm always here to help you guys. I'm always here to make up new recipes for you, help you with that keto life. I'm really excited to keep bringing these to you guys, and I'm excited to continue on this journey, on this keto journey. See you guys next time. Bye.